Inspect electrical wiring on heating, ventilation, and air conditioning units every time you perform routine maintenance and immediately after any unusual noises or smells. Begin by cutting power at the disconnect and verifying zero voltage with a tester before touching anything. Remove access panels and visually scan wiring harnesses, terminal connections, and strain reliefs for cracked insulation, corrosion, or signs of overheating such as discoloration or brittle plastic. Follow wiring from the control board to motors, capacitors, and compressors to identify points where vibration or sharp edges could abrade insulation, and gently flex wires to reveal hidden splits. Use a magnifier or bright flashlight to catch hairline nicks and check that wire routing keeps conductors away from condensate lines and sheet metal edges. If you find frayed insulation, wrap the area with high-quality electrical tape rated for 360 degrees Fahrenheit or apply a heat shrink sleeve for a longer-lasting repair. For exposed conductors, replace the wire or splice with a properly rated connector and crimp or solder, then insulate. Secure loose wiring with adhesive-backed clips or lightweight cable ties, making sure there is enough slack to prevent tension on terminals, and always recheck clearances and strain reliefs before restoring power. The most common mistake is inspecting with power still connected, which risks shock and damage, so always disconnect and verify zero voltage before work, and keep a voltage tester on hand. People often simply tape over damaged wires without addressing underlying causes. Reroute the wire away from sharp edges, and replace or properly splice any conductor that has metal exposed. A third frequent issue is using incorrect materials such as household tape or undersized ties. Use high-temperature electrical tape, heat shrink, and cable ties rated for appliance use, and ensure terminal screws are tightened to manufacturer torque specifications. We list this topic under preventative electrical care on bighomeprojects.com, and we connect homeowners with local contractors and peers who discuss fixes and share experiences. Our site helps contractors find jobs and homeowners find professionals and community advice all in one place.